Resident safety and property loss. Condemnation. If all or substantial parts of the premises shall be acquired for any public use by the right of eminent domain or deemed in lieu thereof, this lease shall terminate on the date of such taking. All condemnation awards shall be the sole property of the owner. Lead-based paint disclosure. Properties built prior to 1978 may contain lead-based paint, which could affect the health of residents. Tenant acknowledges receipt of the disclosure of information on lead-based paint and lead-based paint hazards, and protect your family from lead in your home publication. If applicable, contact your local health and environmental office for further information. Emergency calls. Emergency calls will be accepted for the following items only: a fire, no heat, and a major water leak. Smoke detectors. Tenant shall be fully responsible for the timely and prompt replacement of smoke detector battery or batteries and ensuring smoke detectors are in proper working order. In the event visual smoke detectors are needed for the property in accordance with the Virginia law, tenants must request them in writing from the landlord on or before the lease commencement. Trash and garbage. Tenant must comply with all city ordinance and regulations as to trash or garbage containers, including plastic bags and disposal of same. All plastic trash bags must be stored in approved containers. All trash and garbage must be placed in roll-out containers or dumpsters if provided. Non-compliance with this section constitutes a material breach of the lease agreement. Force majeure. Landlord and tenants shall not be required to perform any term, condition, or covenants in this lease so long as such performance is delayed or prevented by force majeure, which shall mean acts of God, war, acts of terrorism, floods, severe weather, or any other cause not reasonable within the control of landlord or tenants, and which, by the exercise of due diligence, landlord or tenants, wholly or in part, to prevent or overcome. However, this section shall not apply to, and nothing contained in this section shall affect or impair either party's rights and remedies pursuant to Articles fire, condemnation, cure, abatement hereof, or any offset rights or rights to credit expressly given to tenants in this lease, and further, in no event shall any delay or failure of payment of rent or any other money, whatever the cause, be either considered as a reason beyond a party's reasonable control or to any extent executed by operation of this section.